Alright, as you can see, I'm currently getting dressed for work, partially because I am about to be late for work. But that does not mean I cannot do my 60-second sketch, because it's literally 1 minute. What time is it? And I have just about that time. This is going to be episode 3, which is Mickey Mouse, so this should be pretty easy. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Oops. Shoot. Alright, beautiful. That is a minute. There's Mickey Mouse. Alright, I will catch y'all later. Peace, love, and hot sauce, and I will see y'all in the next video tomorrow.